My name is Sharon Antonucci, and I am the director of the MossRehab Aphasia Center. The PAT program, or the People with Aphasia Training Dogs program, is a version of a basic obedience course that has been modified to provide supports for the training of people with aphasia. So things like supports for auditory comprehension or supports for movement difficulties that they might have. Oftentimes, people with aphasia become extremely skilled at using what we call pragmatic communication. So nonverbal communication, like changing the tone of their voice, using facial expression, using body language, the very things that are useful in working with animals. And so it really felt like this could be an excellent way to work with people with aphasia, give them opportunities to flex and practice their cognitive linguistic skills, and also give them an opportunity to use the skills that they've developed. The program really runs very much as any basic obedience course would. There's a series of assessments that we do with the person with aphasia to look at their language skill and also to talk to them about how they feel aphasia affects their lives and the quality of their lives and why they think participating in this program might help. And once that assessment is done, we go through a course of 6 sessions, and during each session we target one obedience skill. I think there are endless opportunities for benefit for individuals who participate in this program, from the health and wellness and psychosocial benefits that we know come from pet ownership and interaction with animals, to the practice of communication and the flexing of their cognitive linguistic skills, to also learning a skill that may be new to them and maybe a skill that they didn't know how to use before they had their aphasia, and so it can't be compared to how they used to be able to do it. If the program is successful, which we believe that it will be, our first step will be to incorporate the program into our regular offerings at the Aphasia Center. Currently, it exists as a pilot program that is being funded by the Albert Einstein Society as an innovative program, but we'd like it to become a regular feature of our Aphasia Center offerings. I'd also like to use the information that we are gathering as the basis for application for federal funding to look at the benefits of human-animal interaction in clinical populations.